Hey there! Welcome to another one of our coding videos. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many programmers face when working with pandas data frames. The issue at hand is when a value in a column becomes NA, and we need to fill that column with a list of strings that matches the length of another column. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. One approach involves using the np.where function from NumPy. By employing this function, we could check if the D column is NA using df.isNa. If it is NA, we'll replace it with a series of lists filled with a string no_value, repeated to match the length of the C column. This clever use of np.where ensures that our data frame is updated with the necessary information to address the missing values in the D column. Continuing with our solution, an alternative method is to utilize the apply function in pandas. By implementing apply on the data frame and iterating through each row with a lambda function, we build a condition to check if the value in column D is nan. If this condition is met, we create a new list filled with no_value strings repeated to match the length of the list in column C. Otherwise, we retain the original value in column D. This approach provides another way to handle the missing values in the data frame effectively. Now, with our updated data frame, we can examine the final output. As we can see, the D column has been appropriately filled with the corresponding strings to match the length of the C column. This ensures that our data frame maintains consistency and completeness in handling missing values. Problem solved. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the issue of missing values in a pandas data frame by intelligently filling the D column with appropriate strings. By employing the np.where function and apply method, we've ensured that our data frame is updated accurately. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!